Are you tired of guessing which videos actually grow your channel? You upload, you hope, but YouTube Studio's default view just shows you one big average number. It hides the truth about which videos are your superstars and which ones are quietly dragging you down. Learn to compare performance side by side in YouTube Studio and find your winning formula. So here is the plan. We are going to open up your analytics, switch on advanced mode, add a comparison, and then overlay the key metrics. By the end, you will see exactly what separates your best from your worst. No more guessing. All right, so open up YouTube Studio and look for the Analytics tab right there in the left menu. Click on that. This is your dashboard, and right now it is showing you everything lumped together. But we want to peel that back. Now look up in the top right corner. You will see a button that says Advanced Mode or maybe See More. Click that. This opens up the real control panel. It feels good to be here, like you are actually driving the car. Now we need to set up our comparison. Look at the top left of your screen and click the button that says Add Comparison. This is the big one. This is what turns a flat list of numbers into a story. A new menu will pop up and select Content. You have three choices here. You can select videos to compare individual uploads, groups if you have them set up, or time periods. For this, let us pick videos. Let me walk you through what I am seeing on my end. I am going to click on the top highlight in the chart. That selects my best performer. Then I am going to click on the second highlight, which is a mid-tier video. See the difference? One video has a high click-through rate, but people click away fast. The other has a lower click-through rate, but people stick around for ages. That second video is building your audience. Without this comparison, you would never know that. Finally, I will click on that last highlight to lock in the comparison. And there you have it. You are no longer guessing. You can see with your own eyes exactly which metrics make your top videos succeed. Now you have a formula to replicate. Go make more of those.